been seeing so far, so this is based on my, working with Pasqal on this, the collaboration that we've done, is the most important thing right now, I think, is an optimization problem. As was actually discussed today, also during the symposium today, is that optimization problems are really something that we can do today. We can really focus on optimizing large-scale problems. Later on, obviously, in pharmaceutical industry, we're dealing with molecules that are quantum entities. So maybe later on there will be some real advantage to using quantum computing directly applied to molecules, because molecules are quantum entities. So we can really make use of the fact that we can use quantum computing to predict quantum properties. Now it's really large-scale optimization problems that we're dealing with. And that could be anywhere in pharmaceutical industry. For myself, I'm involved in early discovery, so it's really about identification of chemical compounds that are interesting, that we should follow up on. But optimization problems are everywhere. They are also in clinical trials, they're in logistics, they're in sales, in whatever. So there's many sort of optimization problems in pharmaceutical industry. What we're trying to do in our work with Pasqal is to show that quantum computing can really provide a solution for a problem, but it's still at a relatively small scale. But something I mentioned also during the panel talk is that this scale is rapidly increasing. So I know that today we can solve it with classical computing, but in a few years this will not be the case anymore, or it will take too much time or take too much energy to do the calculations. So just talking about what we're doing today is having a very sort of almost research-oriented collaboration with Pasqal, proof of concept, but it's proof of concept on a problem that's smaller in scale than we have today. So if we want to apply this to a real large-scale problem that will happen, that will be there in a couple of years, or I think it'll be there in a couple of years, it will require having the hardware to solve this.